If you want a super fast way to access Google Gemini right from Chrome, this tutorial is for you. In just a few seconds, I'll show you how to launch Gemini from the Chrome address bar so you can ask questions, brainstorm ideas, and get instant AI help without going through extra menus or tabs. This is a great shortcut for students, creators, professionals, and anyone who wants to speed up their workflow. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. At the top of the browser, click directly into the address bar. This is where you normally type a website name or a search. Now type the @ symbol followed by Gemini, so type @Gemini exactly like that. Once you've typed it, press the Tab key or the space key on your keyboard. When you do that, Chrome will switch into the Gemini shortcut mode. Now all you need to do is type your question or your AI prompt. You can ask Gemini things like, write an email, summarize a topic, generate ideas, explain something clearly, or help you draft content. After you type your prompt, press enter. Chrome will automatically open the Google Gemini web app and send your request. In a moment, Gemini will load your answer instantly, giving you a fast and easy way to use AI right from the browser. This shortcut is really useful because it saves time and keeps everything simple. Instead of manually searching for Gemini every time, you can just use the Chrome address bar as your quick access point. If nothing happens at first, make sure you type that Gemini correctly and that you pressed either tab or space before entering your prompt. That step is what activates the shortcut. Once you get used to it, this becomes one of the fastest ways to interact with Gemini in Chrome. So to recap, click the Chrome address bar, type @Gemini, press tab or space, type your prompt, and press enter. That's it. You've now learned how to access Google Gemini in the Chrome address bar in just a few easy steps. If this tutorial was helpful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next simple tech guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.